Hello again, everyone. This is my next video here at Vallejo Health and Wellness Center. I'm Dr. Rob Lindsay. Today we're going to be talking about the liver, the importance of the liver. Many of us grew up with the Wonder Bread commercial telling us how it helps build strong bodies. 12 ways. What the commercial failed to tell us is that the Americans have been consuming enriched or fortified white flour since the 1940s, and it is slowly killing them. The problem is that white flour is enriched or fortified with rock forms of iron. That's correct. They literally take iron ore, pulverize it, and add it to white flour. Yeah, it's true iron is vital to make a substance in your body called tyrosine, but over time, rock iron accumulation signals the liver not to absorb more iron so then you can't make tyrosine. And you need tyrosine to make the thyroid hormone thyroxine, also known as T4, and adrenaline. One of the functions of adrenaline is holding magnesium in the blood. Magnesium is important for proper bone formation, maintaining normal muscle function, releasing energy from muscle storage, regulating body temperature, and proper absorption of calcium. Since adrenaline can't be made because of rock iron accumulation causing a lack of tyrosine, many patients suffer from magnesium deficiencies. They find themselves supplementing with magnesium supplements, but they never address the cause: low adrenaline levels due to decreased tyrosine levels. So back to the liver. Anytime that I see a patient suffering from a hormone problem, male or female, whether increased or decreased, an iron problem, including serum iron, ferritin, transferrin, and or total iron binding capacity on their labs, or a problem with their red blood cells, or B vitamin deficiency, I immediately start thinking that the patient is suffering from a liver disorder. The liver is the cause. Think for a minute about the functions of the liver. The liver is important for bile production and excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, hormones, and drugs, metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, enzyme activation, storage of glycogen, vitamins, and minerals, synthesis of plasma proteins such as albumin, and clotting factors, blood detoxification and purification. It's astounding how many things the liver does. Can you see why the liver is such a major player in our health? The main reason why many doctors fail to address liver disorders is that the lab ranges of the liver enzymes and other tests are very, very broad. The liver enzymes are normally contained in the cells, and if the liver is injured or damaged, the liver cells spill the enzymes into the blood. The lab range for the liver enzyme ALT and AST are 10 to 40. And I have seen some labs go as high as 10 to 60, while the functional or optimal range is 10 to 26. A patient can have an ALT range of 35 and an AST reading of 37, and their physician will tell them that their liver function is normal. No, it's not, and it needs to be addressed for them to regain their health. Many doctors are addressing thyroid patients, but they are not addressing the patient's liver issues, and this is flat out wrong. The liver plays a major role in thyroid function because 60% of T4 is converted to T3 in the liver. The other 20% of T4 is converted to T3 in the stomach. Yet another reason why you need optimal amounts of stomach acid. So please see the article or the video on methyl groups. And the final 20% of T3 is converted in the periphery of the body. T4 to T3 conversion is also dependent on zinc. Should thyroid patients gobble down handfuls of zinc supplements? No. I strongly feel that patients should get trace minerals from their diet. Beef, lamb, veal, shrimp, crab, scallops, turkey, pumpkins, sesame and squash seeds, oysters, peanuts, and yogurt all contain good levels of zinc. Low levels of selenium will cause inactivity of T3, and that is also not good for a thyroid patient. Tuna, cod, halibut, sardines, shrimp, salmon, beef, turkey, and lamb all contain high levels of selenium. In order for T3 to be accepted by the cell, it needs calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. This is why it is vital to have sufficient mineral absorption and your pH between 6.4 and 7.0. Again, see the article or the video on the importance of proper pH. Let's talk about homocysteine with the liver. Homocysteine is an amino acid that can be generated in response to a toxic or nutritionally deficient diet. When homocysteine is increased in the blood, it is linked to massive inflammation and neurodegeneration. In Alzheimer's disease and many other chronic diseases, we find a significant increase in homocysteine in the blood tests. Since homocysteine is a powerful excitotoxin and neurotoxin, elevated homocysteine levels have been found to make symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and other chronic conditions worse. The metabolic breakdown components of homocysteine alter the NMDA or N-methyl D-aspartate receptor sites, leading to multiple negative effects including free radicals and a massive inflammatory cascade. These free radicals and inflammation can trigger an autoimmune response in which the patient's immune system attacks the thyroid gland and or other body systems. Free radicals, excitotoxins, and inflammation can all be successfully addressed via diet and by using proper nutritional supplemental protocols. Liver and inflammation problems in the body can be addressed successfully using natural protocols. I recommend using something called Max BND, Liver ND, and coffee enemas to help detoxify and heal the liver. Co-curcumin from Ayash Herbs and Inflamma ND and Green Tea ND from Premier Research Labs are great for reducing inflammation. In closing, I only use Premier Research Labs, nutritional supplements, Ayash Herbs, and Hope Science products in my office because they are natural, live-sourced nutritional supplements that are excipient-free. That's what you need. Thank you for watching this video about the thyroid. Please click on another video as soon as you get a chance to, and look forward to seeing you in the office. If you have questions or comments or would like to make an appointment, 952-949-0676. Thank you and have a great day.